Welcome back to Bike Review Hub. Today, we are diving into the latest touring beast, the 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 gallons. This bike has long been the gold standard for luxury touring motorcycles, and Honda has taken it to the next level with improved performance, comfort, and technology. So, is it still the king of the road? Let's find out. Design and comfort, a new level of touring luxury. The 2025 Goldwing continues its tradition of elegant yet aggressive styling. Honda has refined the aerodynamics for better wind deflection, making long rides even more comfortable. The redesigned seats provide plush support for both the rider and passenger, ensuring fatigue-free touring. This year's model also features a new adjustable windscreen, which offers better protection against wind and weather. Whether you're cruising on the highway or exploring winding mountain roads, the Goldwing ensures maximum comfort. Engine and performance, smooth power, effortless control. At the heart of the 2025 Goldwing is the legendary 1833 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, flat-six engine. Known for its ultra-smooth power delivery, this engine produces enough torque to handle any road with ease. Honda has fine-tuned the throttle response, giving riders a more intuitive and responsive feel. The dual-clutch transmission, DCT, has also been updated for seamless gear shifts, making both highway cruising and city riding effortless. For those who prefer full control, the manual transmission option is still available. Technology and features, the most advanced Goldwing yet. The 2025 Goldwing is smarter than ever. The new high-resolution touchscreen display features an improved interface, making it easier to navigate through settings, GPS, and entertainment options. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration come standard, allowing seamless connectivity on the go. Safety has also been upgraded, with Honda Selectable Torque Control (HSTC) for better traction, adaptive cruise control, and even a radar-assisted collision warning system, a first for the Goldwing. Ride quality and handling, effortless touring. Despite its size, the Goldwing handles with surprising agility. Thanks to its double wishbone front suspension, the ride remains stable and smooth, even over rough surfaces. The low center of gravity makes cornering more controlled, giving riders a confidence-inspiring experience. Whether you're taking on tight twisties or enjoying a relaxed highway cruise, this bike delivers the best of both worlds. Final thoughts: is the Goldwing still the king? The 2025 Honda Goldwing 1800 gallons proves once again why it's the ultimate touring motorcycle. With unbeatable comfort, cutting-edge technology, and a refined riding experience, it remains the go-to choice for long-distance riders. But what do you think? Is this the best touring bike of 2025? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth bike reviews. Until next time, ride safe.